Hello and welcome to the Simple Step Show. And today I'm going to show you how to restore a page from trash in Notion. So if you ever move a page to trash by accident, Notion makes it really easy to get it back as long as it hasn't been permanently deleted. So the first way we can kind of find that, you'll see here I'm missing my task. I didn't want to delete that. So the first way I can get that back is to come over here to the trash on the left navigation. Click that. You'll see my task is there. When I hover over this arrow, it'll say restore. So when I click that, it automatically goes back up into my page and we're good to go again. Now I also didn't want to get rid of another one here. So I see sports is here. You'll notice that task is here as well. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time for Notion to update this, but it has been restored, as you can see over here. So I'm going to say my sports I also didn't want to get rid of. I can also click on that. It opens up the page and you'll see a big red bar across the top here. And you'll see the restore page option. So we can click on that. Brings it back in as a sub page underneath my home page. And we're good to go. So that is how you can restore something that you accidentally deleted. So if you delete something important, don't fret. Go to the trash, restore it, so you don't need to rebuild it. And that is how you restore a page from trash in Notion. Thanks for watching.